Baby,
What?
if your mom and I were in jail at the same time, who would you bail out?
Baby, that's so easy.
Who?
My mom.
Baby!
What?
Not me?
What am I gonna hear if I bail you out first, babe, huh?
What do you mean?
What took you so long to bail me out, baby? Should have been sooner. It was so cold in there and miserable.
No.
And then when we get home, oh my gosh, babe, you didn't do the dishes while I was in jail. You didn't clean up the floors while I was in jail. Can you clean up the whole house for me while I relax on the couch?
That's not true. I wouldn't say that.
At least for my mom, she'd be thankful that I got her out, and then she would cook me a home-cooked meal. She would do the dishes. She would clean the house, and let me relax for once. Maybe it's a good thing that you're in jail.
So you'd rather bail out your mom than bail out your wife?
Your cheap ass is not gonna pay me back for bail. Mom will.